The original Xbox still has one of the greatest features ever in gaming history. You were able to go into the menu, click music, put in a CD, and then burn all of the music to your Xbox and be able to listen to any song you want from that CD in any game. If a game had a lame soundtrack, it didn't matter. You can put your music on and you're good to go. Like, dude, that was a big deal. Like, what, this guy's got Green Day, some Creed? Dude, I see you. I'm actually kind of curious why they would get rid of this. I'm assuming it has to do with money in some way or another, but I don't really get it. It was just so good. I definitely had Linkin Park, Limp Bizkit, P.O.D. I might throw in a little Shaggy, some P.D. Pablo. But yeah, let me know if you guys remember this, and let me know in the comments what music you were listening to back in the day. And what were your favorite games on the Xbox? I played a lot of Fusion Frenzy, Fable, obviously Halo, favorite game of all time. And yeah, dude, I mean, times were just way better back then.